Emeritus Pope Benedict XVI has died, aged 95, almost a decade after his resignation as head of the Catholic Church. The German Cardinal, whose birth name is Joseph Ratzinger, was elected as Pope at the age of 78. He replaced Pope John Paul II, who died, aged 84, at the Vatican's Apostolic Palace in 2005 while leading the Catholic Church. Emeritus Pope Benedict XVI is one of the very few Catholic popes in history to step down as leader instead of remaining in the role for life. Who was Emeritus Pope Benedict XVI? Born Joseph Aloysius Ratzinger in 1927, Pope Benedict XVI was the son of a police officer and grew up in regional Germany. After a reluctant enrollment in the German Defense Force, he resumed his religious education as soon as World War II ended, studying philosophy and theology at the University of Munich. He was appointed Archbishop of Munich and Freising by Pope Paul VI in 1977 and was ordained as a bishop that same year, before his election as Dean of the College of Cardinals was approved in 1998. As Dean, he presided over the college's deliberations during the vacancy of the Holy See after Pope John Paul II's death in 2005, and less than 2 weeks later, he was elected the 265th Pontiff of the Roman Catholic Church, selecting the name Benedict XVI.